Now, see the table here. You see the table here. Tala'a and tala'at, both are acceptable. You see, both are right. Qama and qamat, both are right. Qala and qalat, both are right. Hadara and hadarat, both are right. And safara and safarat. The question is why? Okay, go back to the first page. Shamsu. Shamsu is empirical feminine, not real. So it means it is mu'annas sama'i. Write down there. Mu'annas sama'i. Empirical feminine. So there is no rule for it. As I taught in lesson number 3 or 4, or lesson number 2, I think, 3 or 4, whatever, that there are certain words like ard and sama and dar. So there is no rule. Arabs use them as feminine. There is no hard and fast rule. That's why they are called sama'i. Write down there, empirical feminine, mu'annas sama'i. Here. This is number 1 because it is mu'annas. Mu'annath. Sama'i means mu'annas. This is a feminine empirical because there is no hard and fast rule. Arabs used shams. Shams means sun. Through them. For example, in our language, दादी नानी जो कि सब क्या है, मुअन्नस है. But pani is, nani is muannas, but pani is mudhakkar. So this is muannas sama'i. Now, rijalun, remember here, rijalun. So we are saying qama rijalun, and also we can say also qamat. Qama and qamat, both are correct. Why? Because rijalun is the plural of rajulun. Rajulun. Remember here, this is jama mukassar aqil. This is not ghair aqil. This is aqil. That's why you can use both. Qama and qamat. Jama mukassar. This is plural of rajulun. Similarly, this ulama. Ulama'u. Ulama'u. It is plural of alimun. This is also jam mukassar aqil. So you can say here qala and qalat. Both are correct. Both are correct because this is jama mukassar aqil. This one is also jama mukassar aqil. Here this one is empirical feminine. Now the third example, al-qawmu. Al-qawm is singular and plural is al-aqwam. Aqwamun. But al-qawm means group of people. Al-Qawm is group of people. It is the Wahid itself. For example, listen to me here. Army. Army means, army is singular, but they represent group of people. Party, for example. Party, parties. Army, armies. Okay? But army itself is group of people. Party is also group of people. Nation, for example. Nation, nations. It is group of people, nation. So, whenever it is ism jama, you can say ja'a al-qawm. You can also say ja'atil qawm. Ja'a, both of the words can be used. Now, the last example in the next page. Go to the next page. Safara, safara. You see, here, I write on the top. Safara. This is a verb, safara. And you can also say safara. Why? Both. This is male, masculine, this is feminine. You can say both. Why? Because safarat al-yawma Fatima. Now Fatima too is fa'il. Now between verb fail, Muhammad, between fail and fa'il, there is a fasila. There is some word inserted in between. Whenever a word is inserted between fail and fa'il, you can use both, safara and safara. Now, we will go through some of the examples from the Quran. Is it clear now? Rule number 8. Look at me here. Let me summarize. Rule number 8. When the fa'il is mu'annath sama'i, you have two options. To use the word masculine or feminine. Rule number 2. When it is jama mukassar aqil, you have the option. Use masculine verb or feminine verb. Rule number 3. If the fa'il is ismu jama, representing a group, al-qawm, jund, for example, or a qawm, or a nation, or hizb, anything which represents a lot of people, then you have the option of using a masculine verb or feminine verb. And the fourth rule is, if some other noun comes in between fa'il and fa'il, that is called fasila. Then you have the option. Now I gave here in this book about 10 examples from Quran.
I have a question. Okay, you said when the word comes between the verb and the subject.
Yes.
Okay, so could that refer back to rule number 4 when the object comes between the verb and the subject? That's different.
No, yeah.
That was different.
No. You have the two options. There also you have two options.
Okay.
You have two options. But at that point I did not say because it was too premature at that time. Okay, go back to here. Now we are in the Quran. Yes.
I just clarifying, mu'annas sama'i, does that include the words that have ta marbuta in, like maktabatun?
No. Because if you have certain signs, you can guess they are called qiyasi. If you have alif and hamza, if you have ta mudawwara, you have ta marbuta, or alif maqsura. You see, Let me explain to you. Qiyas, you know qiyas. Qiyas means you can guess. You can guess. For example, here, the